Hi, to activate Do Not Disturb mode on the Huawei Wind 9, you just need to simply swipe down from the upper panel to trigger the control center. And here you would see this moon icon on the left side, which is for Do Not Disturb mode. Just tap it and here you would see this pop-up notification that the device won't ring or vibrate for incoming calls notifications, except for alarms. If you agree with that, you can enable it right now simply by tapping this check mark, and now it is enabled and it is light up purple like that. To disable it, you just need to tap it again and now it is disabled. So to see its settings, you just need to press and hold this icon. And here you can either enable it for all day by tapping on this switcher, or you can set your own schedule. So just tap it to edit. Here just set your start point, for example 21, then tap the next, set the minutes, and here also set the end point for this mode. Also tap next, then OK, and now you would need to set the repeat. For example, I want to repeat this mode only for the work days, so I'm gonna disable Sunday and Saturday. And then tap the OK button to save the changes and tap OK once more, and now you have your own schedule for Do Not Disturb mode. And that's it how it works. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you for watching.